Good morning. My name is James Chrisbeck. I'm with the Quabog Hills Chamber of Commerce, and I just want to thank everybody for having us be a part of this, the radio station, and Jain Dental Care. So the Chamber's mission is to support and promote businesses throughout the 15 different communities that we represent. So again, I want to thank Dr. Sunit Jain, his team, his family, other members that I've met of the team, Gladys Jimenez, Diane. Again, I want to thank Bruce and Lisa from the radio station. Our elected officials for being here, Noah Green from Senator Oliveira's office, Representative Todd Smola, me here, Palmer Town Manager Brad Brothers, Town Planner Heidi Marinino, Bill Fenner from the Building Department, and Chief Burns, thank you very much. We've got some chamber members and board of directors here, our president of the board, Renee Jella, from J. Stoller Insurance. I want to say it a different way, just that's my Polish nature. So, Amber Messer from Munson Savings, good morning. Rebecca Maurer from Quabbin Valley Eye Care, Christopher Heights, Lorna Stone, thank you. Biglio's is here, catering, doing a great job, thank you very much. Turley Publications, and of course Western Mass News and M-PACT, thank you all for being here. As I say with any new business opening, the Chamber is thrilled about the services that Jain Dental Care is going to provide the region's residents, and we're excited for the rehab and the remodel that you've done here. This building, and of course the jobs that you've created. Thank you very much for having us here to celebrate this. A modern dental office, general and cosmetic services, implants, whitening, RCT work, and emergency work. And you've seen the sign, walk-ins welcome, so that's pretty important. So without further ado, I want to get off the microphone and introduce Dr. Sunit Jain.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I'm literally overwhelmed to see all of you here. First of all, thank you so much, the town of farmers, senators, everyone, for coming in and chipping in here. I really appreciate that a lot. You know, you guys have an amazing town, amazing people, and love to be part of here. And I hope I can cater as much as patients as we can and take of their dental needs. And we have a lovely team of doctors, hygienists who will be chipping in, and my lovely staff here, and who will be helping us to take care of all your dental needs. So thank you so much again. I appreciate for all of you coming in. It means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Stay right here. I'd like to introduce Noah Green from Senator Oliveira's office. He's got a citation from the state to present.
Thank you. So Senator Oliveira couldn't make it today, but he's very proud to have a business like yours here in the district. So he's presenting you with this citation. I'll read a little bit from it. It's, be it known that the Massachusetts Senate hereby extends its congratulations to Jain Dental Care in recognition of your opening and ribbon cutting for Jain Dental Care, your commitment to serving the health of your patients, and so forth. So here you go. Congratulations. Thank you.
Well, it's great to be here today. Thank you so much on behalf of the Massachusetts legislature and certainly from the town of Palmer. Doctor, you've got a fantastic location right here in the center of our downtown. And for those of us that were born and bred in the town of Palmer, it's a 5-generation family, there are so many memories that are along this street. And the fact that you have taken this building and you have turned it over for this wonderful practice that it's going to be for many years to come, we're all excited. You know, for years, this was a convenience store and a gas station, right? So all these years, people like me came in here, we bought candy bars, and now we're going to be here going to the dentist, right, to get our teeth fixed, right? So it's a transition of history, but we know how important these businesses are to our downtown area. This is the center of the town of Palmer, so the fact that we have a thriving business here once again to provide services to people in the community moving forward for the region is something that's pretty spectacular. I want to thank James and the Chamber team who support our businesses in our region. That's something that's so important to the growth of our communities, and to the town of Palmer, to the leadership, to the building department, the planning department, the chief, all those folks that help to support this community as a municipal entity. That's something that's pretty spectacular too. The chief and I were just having a discussion in the focal point in the center of your downtown. To have a business compared to a boarded up place, makes a huge difference for public safety, for perception of the community. And Doctor, you've done a wonderful thing here today. So we're excited to welcome them to the town of Palmer and to the region here. We are delighted to bring them recognition from the House of Representatives, which says, "We hereby know to all that the Massachusetts House offers you its sincerest congratulations and recognition of the joyous celebration of your grand opening and ribbon cutting, honoring your tireless work, heartfelt contribution to the community, and commitment to service and excellence." Doctor, to you and to your wonderful team, we wish you Godspeed and many good years of success and happiness here. Congratulations to you.
Thank you very much. I'd like to introduce Brad Brothers, Town Manager for the Town of Palmer.
Thank you, everyone. It's always tough to go after Rep. Smola. As a Palmer resident my entire life, we have seen this building transition. It is very exciting to see some life back in our downtown. If you guys remember driving through here, a lot of people get off the Pike. This is almost the first thing they see off the Pike. And for a building to be boarded up, it's a tough look for our community. And we've done an excellent job. I'd like to thank everyone for coming out today. And I look forward to Doctor serving the community. And I know I've had quick conversations with you. I'm excited for the residents and also the surrounding community for the practice and what you're going to be able to provide. So thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, if I could just have everybody line up here. If you want to invite your staff here, we're going to do a little ribbon cutting ceremony.
Brad, count you down for 3, 2, 1. Ready, everybody? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
3 root canals for everybody.
We will prevent it.
What a festive day here it is for downtown Palmer. It's great, economy-wise and economical-wise to be able to have a brand new business come, and it's a beautiful day. I call this a Chamber of Commerce Day, and I'm sure James will definitely agree on that. With me today is Dr. Jain. How are you, Doctor?
I'm very well. Thank you so much for having me.
What an exciting day for you and your family, isn't it?
It is indeed. And I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so thankful for all of you being here from the town, from the chamber, you guys, from media. So thank you so much.
It really is. And it is a Chamber of Commerce Day for sure. The weather is just perfect. Boy, it could have been, you picked a great day to do this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I think everything fell in place. Everyone is liking it. So I'm glad everyone is having a good time here.
So now let's talk about things on a serious note. We talked all about the weather and everything, but going to the dentist can be rather scary for people. Here at Jain Dental, you kind of set people at ease, from your great friendly staff from the phone all the way to your hygienist, to your assistants. When you come to Jain Dental, everybody is at ease, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the prime goal, right? I get it. It's a scary thing. Even I don't like going to the dentist. It's hard. I get it, but it's important. More you go to the dentist, less you have to go to the dentist in a way.
Right.
So you're taking care of your teeth, so you don't have to go there often, right? And for us here, we are trying to make them comfortable. We have like a ceiling TVs for them to get distracted as much as they can.
Yeah.
You know, we have beautiful things for them to play around, you know, and it's just making them comfortable as much as we can.
You know, sometimes, you know, people get nervous and having to go. They might take a light, you know, sedation, or they might do that like the day before or the day off, just to make people, you know, at ease. Dental care is so important, you know, from everything from, you know, heart issues to blood pressure to sugar. They all go together in your whole entire body.
I totally agree. You know, it's all the bacteria in the mouth. Think about it. Whatever we're eating, it's going inside. You know, so it's imperative to take good care of your teeth. You know, so heart and gum disease are so closely knitted. So we should take care of that as much as we can. Regular cleanings are imperative, very, very important. And as I said before, more you take care of them, so you don't drag into those big issues like root canals. Doesn't mean that it's not a good thing to have it. If you need it, you need it. But as much as we can refrain from getting any bigger treatment, that's best. And the good part with our team is, if you end up to that spot, if you need extractions, you need implants, you need root canals, we do everything in-house. So they don't have to go for referrals to get it addressed. So
Right.
everything will be one-stop shop.
One-stop shop right here on Main Street here, you know, in Palmer. And what a great service to have, you know. I'm sure people are listening to us, and there are many dentists around, and, you know, you could have your choice of dentists. But when you come here, you're getting everything done, and you know it's in one place. You don't have to go one place for an extraction, then you got to come back for a cleaning, and, you know, and so on. Everything is in one place. Friendly service, convenient off-street parking, which is very good. Seniors, you know, there's no stairs, there's no ramps. It's very easy to get in. And emergency service, you do day of emergencies too as well.
Yes, we do keep some slots open every day. If someone is in pain, just give us a call. We'll address them right there, right then. You know, it's that is our prime goal, to address someone in pain. You know, and again, as I said, if they need an extractions, it will be done here. If they need root canals, done here. Implants, done here. And with some specials now with the kind of staff I have, the doctors team I have, so they all are experts in what they do. So I think people will be catered well in that.
They will, here at 1411 North Main Street. The phone number, office hours are from 9 to 5. You take all insurances too as well?
Yes, pretty much all, including Mass Health, United Healthcare, CCA, and Delta Dental, Blue Cross Blue Shield, pretty much.
Pretty much all the major healths.
Right.
413-356-6100. Hopefully down the road you'll be doing some Saturday office hours.
Yes, so we'll be opening 2 Saturdays a month for sure. The response we are getting probably will be opening all 4 Saturdays a month.
I'm sure. You know, people can't get to the dentist during the week for one reason or another, and it's having a Saturday visit. You know, I totally agree with you. Dr. Jain, beautiful day, beautiful facility. Welcome to Palmer, you and your family, and thank you for coming and saving everybody's teeth.
No, thank you so much. The people are lovely here. We have been here for 2 weeks, and the people are so welcoming. I'm in love with the town, love with the area. So many calls, and I'm glad everyone loving the place and loving my team.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We're going to chat with one of your patients, actually, who stopped by. Walter Toper is here. Walter is here. We'll chat with Walter in our next break. And so you got to get back to some of the festivities inside. Hey, Sam Sandy, welcome. 9:15 on a Thursday morning. A beautiful day it's going to be. Temperatures today into the mid-70s, and with me is James Prisnick, Chief Executive Officer of the Quabog Chambers. Hi, James.
Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, it's great to have you here.
Likewise. It's good to hear Andy holding down the fort back at the office.
He is. You know, he's helping keeping everything together, which is fantastic. So it is fantastic to see a brand new business coming to town, isn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, especially with the current economic climate, these folks here, Dr. Sunit and his team, it's been amazing to see the transformation of this building here, right at kind of the main crossroads here in Palmer.
It really is. You know, it used to be a Hess convenience store and gas station, and you go in there now and wow.
Yeah, it's very impressive. They've done an incredible job outside and inside.
They got 10 suites, dental suites. They'll all be fully open very shortly. They're working with a few of them right now. A great friendly staff, which is fantastic. You know, it's so scary going to the dentist, you know.
Right.
Everybody never knows what the outcome is going to be.
Oh, for sure. And I'm thinking, you know, they do walk-ins and emergency surgery.
That's right.
That's incredible to have in this area too.
It is. It really is. And, you know, probably eventually they'll be doing some Saturday service too as well by appointment. And the work that they do here, they do everything from root canals to molar extractions, cleaning, crowns. They also do teeth whitening. And, you know, having clean teeth and it's all about your whole entire health.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, as we keep learning about, and I don't want to get into too many specifics, but
Right.
between bacteria and everything else, how it all affects your gut health and,
Yep.
and your overall well-being, that's where you got to start, having that
It does.
routine every day.
It does. So let's talk. We're not professionals at being a dentist. You're the chamber executive office. So let's talk about what's going on with the chamber right now.
Sure, the chamber's been very active supporting our member businesses. We've had some great networking events. We just had one a couple weeks ago in Munson. We've got another one coming up in Ware. We've got a shed raffle that we're raffling off for $10. People
Nice.
can buy those tickets on our website. So a storage shed that Pathfinder Tech students built together. It's $2,500 worth of building materials. That drawing is going to be on Labor Day, so that's coming up real quick. So
It
it's
sure
pretty
is.
exciting. Yeah.
And they do fantastic work. I remember when they built houses
Right.
way back when, and had the opportunity to have your house built by the Pathfinder students.
Yeah, incredible work and all the different training and technical programs they have over there. They're really benefiting the area quite a bit.
A trade is so important to have. I mean, whether it's plumbing, electrical, building, you know, automotive and everything. I mean, those are fields that just don't go bad. And we have one right here in our own backyard, which is totally fantastic. We got everybody is probably talking about everything that's going on up by the turnpike, all the new stores that are potentially coming.
Yeah, that's pretty exciting to see. They just paved the parking lot up there. They're working on the inside now, and Venture Retail Partners out of Boston has gotten commitments from Jersey Mike's.
Nice.
And it escapes me the other one, Chipotle. They're expecting a national coffee brand as well,
Great.
Retailer. So that's going to be exciting to see as that all finishes up over the next several months.
On the flip side, we have a lot going on here today. We got a ribbon cutting that's going to be about 9:30. We have a lot of special guests. Local Brad Brothers is going to be here. A lot of state officials are going to stop by too as well.
Yeah, I see Representative Todd Smola walking towards us right now. And a representative from Jake Oliveira's office is supposed to be here, so it's going to be a great turnout.
It is. Hopefully we'll be able to get Todd and Jake on the air at some point in time today. They're serving up a full breakfast at a dentist office, serving up a full breakfast.
It's amazing. I mean,
It
the
is
folks
amazing.
From Figlio's is here, and
Yes.
they've done an incredible job. So
French toast, home fries, and bacon, and then later on sandwiches. This is going on all day because it's a grand opening. It is the official grand opening today, and it's happening today. So let's let folks know where we're actually located. 1411. We are at 1411 North Main Street, diagonally across from CBS, which is very conveniently located. Look how busy here. We're on the corner of Route 20, and the Mass Turnpike is right down the road. Folks, as you're traveling and going to work, this is a place you want to stop by.
yeah, absolutely. Especially this morning, if you got a chance, you got a few extra minutes before work, or as
Yeah.
you're running errands, please stop by and say hello.
With me today is Walter. Walter is a brand new patient, and he just came in the other day. Put that microphone right up here, Walter. How are you?
Good. I'm great. It's
Hold
a
on there.
pleasure to be here.
It's great for you stopping. You are a brand new patient,
Yes, I'm
and
a new patient.
you came here yesterday.
I had a procedure yesterday.
Yes.
I was
What kind of
happy.
procedure?
I had the week before. I had a examination by him, which was thorough,
Yep.
and he found a cavity under a tooth that was holding my bridge.
Wow.
So he had to cut the bridge
Yeah.
and take the tooth out.
Wow. And
And-
everything went nice and smooth.
Well, it went nice and smooth. He had, it was difficult, but I'm very pleased.
Yeah.
Of course, I checked him out before. I'm, retired
Yeah.
lawyer. I've been a lifelong resident of the town of Palmer, and I'm very happy to see this place here. Actually, I met him at the night out.
Night out. That's right.
Yes, and it
That's
was
fantastic.
so I figured I'd try him out. However, I checked them out first.
Yep.
University of Michigan,
Yeah,
Wolverines.
yeah,
Very, very good dental school,
yeah.
and it worked out extremely well.
So he numbed up your area so you had no pain.
No pain with Jane.
No pain. I like that. No pain with Jane. I love it. You're a poet.
Yeah. Well, but it did work out extremely
work
well.
out.
Yeah,
It did,
and
which
the
is
staff
fantastic.
I'm very pleased. They clarity,
Yep.
very knowledgeable.
Answered all your questions completely.
Yes, empathy.
Yeah.
His staff is great, especially Anita. She took care of my, whatever I had to have done.
Right.
And, it's a go. I think it's great for the town of Palmer.
Yep.
Okay, the tax base, all of that.
Yeah.
And, I wish them the best of luck.
What a beautiful day to be able to have a ribbon cutting like this today.
Yes.
Isn't
I was here yesterday with my surgery, and it was
In the rain.
It was a good day for surgery.
it was a good day for surgery and a nice day to come back and visit and
And it was
enjoy.
a pleasure meeting you in person.
Oh, thank you very much.
I listened to you quite a bit on WARE.
Thank you. Appreciate
And
that.
again, good luck to you, and,
Thank you.
good luck to Dr. Jane. Remember,
Yes, definitely.
no pain with Jane.
No pain with Jane, and the kids would definitely love him, and seniors too as
Oh,
well.
seniors, especially
Seniors,
parking.
Yeah, parking.
Fantastic local.
I said that, no ramps, just everything's on the
Yeah.
right level. And seniors look for that sort of stuff. There's no elevators, it's just all level.
And let me tell you something, I don't have insurance.
Wow.
And
Okay.
he knew that, and his price is very reasonable.
Good.
We got checked around.
Oh, very good. Well, thank you very much,
Yes,
Walter.
nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you
Have
too.
a great day.
And take good care of your teeth.
I will have Dr. Jane take care of them.
That's right. Okay.
I'm committed.
And there you go.